Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install app that allows you to create or extract RAR and zip archives in Oppo A78 5G. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store. Now find app called RAR, it's RAR, hit the search button, install this app. When it's ready, click on the open. We'll need to allow access and manage to all of the files on this device, and then allow to send notifications. Dismiss this notification and the app should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.